Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join our group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. The group serves as a platform for you to go ahead and ask us any queries, be updated with stock market information at the earliest, and also discuss with like-minded individuals for whom wealth creation is the goal. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a penny stock where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought up to 8.5 crore shares during the last quarter. His stake in the company now stands at 1.41% at the end of the recent quarter, whereas he held no stake in the company at the end of the previous quarter. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is GMR Infrastructure Limited, which is available at Rs 17.05 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is GMR INFRA. Now GMR Infrastructure Limited engages in the infrastructure development business. It operates through the following segments, which are airports, power, road, engineering, procurement and construction, and also other businesses. The company was founded on May 10, 1996 and is headquartered in New Delhi, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company was not doing anything for the majority of the year, then had a wonderful uptrend, but of late it has again collapsed after the recent medical crisis. The market cap of the company is 10,291.29 crores, which means that this company is a mid-cap one. The EPS and the price to earnings ratio are not applicable here as the company is not profitable, whereas the price to book ratio for this company stands at a very high 8.28 times. There is also a very alarming fact about this company, and that is its very high debt to equity of 54.7728, which means that this company is saddled with an enormous amount of debt. The return on equity is a negative minus 5.4371. Another very alarming fact for this company is that out of the promoter holding of 63.60%, 73.81% is pledged. Now friends, please see that this company is a very risky one due to the debt on its books, and hence it may pay to be a bit prudent as far as investments in this company are concerned. Also friends, please join our free Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. Please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.